What is going on, guys? Today we're gonna do another tutorial. On this tutorial we're gonna show you how to build a house in my Fortnite. Okay, so all you need to do is gather some materials. Here you see a llama. You can get some materials from llama, but you can also shop the tree. Look here, I shop 3, get the mats, and yeah, you will see big stone. You see, this is pretty big. Shop here. And just a quick tip, if you shop on this blue, you get more mats than otherwise. So now we got some mats. Oh, quick tip here also. If you see here, you have a chest. And this chest will give you some... oh my god, this is the best! What the flip! Oh my god, I got good loot now. Oh, you see there? Okay, now you take... I have metal brick. Metal is best mat. And you also have... you also have stone. But you set the platform here. You can do it everywhere else also. And then you place one wall, and then you see down here to your left, to your right bottom corner, you see there, you click on that, or you can scroll also. Put that over on your top. And then here, if you see the edit, you can press that, click here, and press same button to confirmation now. Now you can see we have house. And you can also do, if you reset that with right clicking, then you can also do this and this. And now we got even better house. Okay, thank you for seeing this tutorial. I will show you more if you like and subscribe. This is the video from David, and next video maybe we're gonna show from Malte. And subscribe, like the video, and please share with friends so we get very big channel and earn the money. Okay, thank you and goodbye for watching.